got you.
After dark, and it ain't till from out over there on my deck. Slicker than leather, red bottom stepping on window, but they thinking this shit gotta buy a new shit, buy no weather. Snooze if you want, go die, you test.
Oh, my bad, bro. Oh, that's all good.
Me early in the morning trying to work shit out of my head. You know, I talk to myself a lot. So I figured, why not I talk to myself a lot. Am I crazy because I talk to myself? Like, no, you're not crazy. You're just working shit out in your head. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to be walking around in public talking to myself. I talk to myself by myself. You know what I'm saying? I'm self-aware. But I'm just sitting here just trying to figure out ways. I do talk to myself by myself. I don't be out in public just walking around. But it's just a good way for me to work shit out. It's a good way for me to work shit out in my head. Working shit out of my head. So when I come up with ideals, stuff like that, is when I'm talking to myself, by myself, smoking a joint, working shit out of my head. I need to hear it. I can't just have it in my head. I can think it, right? But I have to hear it. I figure, why not just videotape myself when I'm going through these little rants? So that way I don't feel so weird about talking to myself, because I feel like I'm talking to somebody on the camera. Now I'm not crazy because I'm talking to somebody on my camera, so I'm not crazy. But if I'm talking by myself without them being filmed, it's like this motherfucker talking to himself. I don't know. But yeah, I was trying to figure out this content game, man. You know, how can I get my YouTube channel to the next level? That's the question. What can I do to get my YouTube channel to the next level? That's the thing. I don't know what to do to get to the next level. How can I get it to where I can have interesting content that people will watch? So that's the whole question, man. I gotta figure it out. Anyway. Let's just give up on this shit.